one is a final bout for the night. A super lightweight crunch battle between Black Panthers and Panics Boxing Gym. Officials for this one, judges Richard Gatti, David Mills, and Nat Oben. And so officials are ready. Let's go to the boxers. First, fighting out of the blue corner, he is clad in white shorts and white boots to match. He is the boxer who weighed in at 141.8 pounds. He is the boxer who trains out of the Panics Boxing Gym. Head coach is Coach Ye. He has a fighting record of 8 fights, 4 wins, 2 losses, 2 draws. 3 of the 4 wins coming by way of knockout. Please welcome the man known as Canelo, Eric Asante. And his adversary across the ring, fighting out of the red corner. Tonight he's wearing camouflage shorts and white boots to match. He is the boxer who comes out of a boxing family. The father, a former boxer, and the younger brother, a boxer of the Ghana Army. He trains out of the Black Panthers Gym. Head trainer is Coach Ebenezer J, a.k.a. Coach Killer. He is the boxer who weighed in at 142.6 pounds. Fighting record, a perfect one. 3 fights, 3 wins, no losses, no draws. All of the 3 wins by way of knockout. Please welcome the man nicknamed Hercules. Please welcome the man, Mathias Sulley Nguah. At the center, referee Erasmus O.
Good evening, guys. You know the rules already. I expect a good and clean fight. Whatever I say, you must obey. That's just good luck.
Good one there coming from the referee. He's going to take the center stage of this bout. This is the ultimate bout of Fight Night 2. Mathias Sulley Nguah, fighting from the Black Panthers, nicknamed Hercules, will be taking on Eric Asante from Panics. Taking on Eric Asante from Panics, who is nicknamed Canelo. This is the last bout, and it promises to be an interesting one. The talk is done, the bragging is done. It's now time to handle business in the ring, as Canelo Eric Asante takes on Mathias Sulley Nguah, nicknamed Hercules. Eric Asante is the boxer with the black gloves, and Mathias is the boxer with the red gloves. And this is both boxers sizing each other very well, and Mathias getting to the body shot of Eric Asante, but Eric retaliates with some flurry, which caught the attention of Mathias. Wild miss there from Eric Asante. But that's a high guard there coming from Mathias. He's searching the body of Eric. Right hand land for Mathias, what caught the attention of Eric Asante. And right hand land for Mathias again. Eric took it well there. Those are some telling points coming from Mathias. Eric Asante holding on there. Right hand land from Mathias. Eric needs to be careful there. And there goes Mathias, backing up his opponent there, the ropes. There goes Eric to try to throw some flurry. Sweeping out from danger zone there. It's not a good idea for Mathias to catch him and backing up the ropes there. Eric Asante. Eric Asante and Mathias sizing up each other very well. That was a lose of balance there from Eric Asante. He was searching that left counter there. Mathias taking the body of Eric Asante. Wild miss there from Mathias Sulley. Eric gets back to his jab, using his left jab to probe. Both boxers get into the clinch. And referee separates them. Last 10 seconds to go. And let's see. Wild miss there from Eric Asante. He was trying to search some talent punch there, but he misses. And there goes the bell. I mean, some pep talk to Eric Asante. IMAX Boxing Promotions. This is Bell 7-Star Professional Boxing League. Sponsors acknowledgement: Bell 7-Star, Premium Motors, Soccer Bet, Techno Mobile, and Max Buy. And this is the second round between Eric Asante and Mathias Sulley. And look at Mathias Sulley, look at that triple combination there from Mathias. Eric took it well there. Eric also trying to retaliate there, but Mathias gathers him up with a clinch. Left hand from Mathias, right hand from Mathias. Eric took it well, but they get into the clinch. Mathias keeps a high guard there, and Eric searching for this jab to probe through. Left hand land for Mathias. Right hand from Mathias. Eric took it well there, and Eric is searching for the uppercut. Left hand land for Eric Asante. Caught the attention of Mathias Sulley. They both get into the clinch there. Referee gets in, separates them. A word of caution to Eric Asante, and also another to Mathias. Eric was searching for that left hand, but Mathias read it well there. Left hand getting through for Mathias. Eric wants to retaliate. Wild miss there from Eric Asante. By taking up the center stage between Eric Asante and Mathias Sulley. What a left hand there from Eric Asante. Mathias took it well there. Those are some talent and clinical punches there coming from these two pugilists. Eric Asante and Mathias. Mathias wild miss there from him. Got that chopping right hand there from Eric, but it lacked that effectiveness. Eric stalking his opponent there. Let's see what he can do with that. They get into the clinch. Referee separates them. Left hand for Eric Asante. Left jab for Eric Asante again. Wild miss there from Mathias. He was searching for that uppercut. Right hand from Eric Asante. That was a good one there from Eric Asante, but Mathias wants to capitalize on the retaliation. Mathias doing well with his jab probing, but Eric stalking him. What is there from Eric Asante? He was searching for the right looping hand there, but Mathias read him well. Last 10 seconds to go. Left hand land for Eric Asante, but Mathias took it well and he swept out of danger zone, and there goes the bell. That was a telling punch there coming from Eric Asante to end that round. Nickname Canelo, Eric Asante. Third round coming up your way.
Let's go again.
And before we have the third round, referee signals. The canvas needs to be cleaned well before the fight resumes for the third round. Eric Asante, man on your screen then. This is Mathias Sulley Nguah. And referee signals for the fight to resume for the third round between Mathias Sulley Nguah fighting from Black Panthers. He's the boxer with the red gloves, with the camouflage shorts to match. And Eric Asante fighting from Panix Gym. He's a boxer with the black gloves. Eric Asante nicknamed Canelo, and Mathias Sulley Nguah nicknamed Het Blues. Sizing up each other very well. Our referee steps in. Uppercuts getting through slightly there from Eric Asante.
Leave that, leave that.
There were some exchanges there from Mathias and Eric Asante. Foul miss there from Eric Asante. He was searching for that wild left hand there. And if you know Eric Asante well, those are some of his signature moves. He throws that left wild hand there. Mathias showing some glimpses of defense there, but look at that double clips there coming from Eric Asante. He's searching for his signature move there, but Mathias hold on. Seems Mathias felt that hit there coming from Eric Asante. They tried to exchange at the center of the ring. Eric Asante and Mathias Sulley. Mathias pushing Eric Asante to back up the ropes there. Referee steps in. This is Mathias trying to start off with those chopping right hand, but he misses there with a left hand. Right hand blazing through the defense of Eric Asante. But Eric, good head movement there for Eric Asante. Both boxers are searching for those telling heavy punches. But it's all about the timing and placement of those punches. If they really want to have that effectiveness of their punch, they need to time it and place it well. Mathias Sulley Nguah versus Eric Asante. Eric stalking his opponent there. Left hand land for Eric Asante, and that corner takes up, and then goes down. Mathias Sulley. That was the signature move from the man he calls himself Canelo. That left hand really dazed Mathias Sulley Nguah, and let's see what happens next. It is Eric Asante who is running back there, and then goes down Mathias Sulley. Promotions.
Round 4.
Fourth round coming up your way. But so you may know, Eric Asante has a knockdown in his name in the third round. Mathias Sulley Nguah and Eric Asante, they go at each other again, and they go. The flurry of punches again, they go into the exchanges, and Mathias getting for the clinch. He's feeling the power and the heat coming from Eric Asante. And I don't know who is advising him to go in for that give and take nature. Eric Asante is a master for that. And when he get his left punch getting through, it's going to be game over for Mathias Sulley Nguah. And look at that again from Eric Asante. Mathias goes in for the clinch. Mathias Sulley Nguah, boxer with the red gloves, nicknamed Het Blues. Eric Asante, fighting from the Panix Gym, the boxer with the black gloves, aka Canelo. Let's see. They're going at each other again. And Eric Asante stalking his opponent there. Mathias getting some flurry of punches, but Eric with some good head movement there. Eric stalking his opponent. Mathias backing up the ropes there. And let's see how it goes. Asante probing on his jab. Mathias also doing same. Right hand and left hand land for Mathias. Eric Asante took it well. Didn't have that sting in it that could really worry Eric Asante. Left hand land for Eric Asante. And right hand land for Mathias Sulley. Eric Asante took it well there. It caught the attention of Eric Asante. Wild miss there from Mathias Sulley. This is a highly contest boxing bout between Eric Asante and Mathias Sulley Nguah. Last 10 seconds to go. Eric Asante, Mathias Sulley Nguah. Let's see this. Mathias was trying to have some telling punches to the body section of Eric Asante, but there goes the bell.
5.
We are getting ready to go into the 5th round of this super lightweight contest scheduled for 6 rounds between Black Panther's own Mathias Sulley Nguah, aka Hercules, and Panic's James' own Eric Asante, nicknamed Canelo. Eric Asante, and that was a left uppercut glazing through for Mathias Nguah. And referee signals mouth guard of Mathias Sulley is off, but it's been put in again, and the fight resumes. And there was some searching punches there coming from Mathias Sulley. Mathias is a stand to stalk his opponent, Eric Asante. Let's see what he can get out of it. But Eric Asante keenly watching his opponent very well. Eric Asante get back to his jab placement. And that is good coming from Eric Asante. Right hand there for Eric Asante, stalking his opponent. Mathias want to hold on with some flurry of punches. Let's see how it goes. Eric Asante with that right hand. Mathias took it well there. It is Eric Asante and Mathias Sulley Nguah who are handling business in the ring. Mathias trying to search for a wild punch there, but he misses. Try searching that again, but he misses. There's Eric Asante who is showing some good movement in the ring. But Mathias, on the other hand, trying to cut the ring to his sizes to close the range. And let's see. Good head movement there from Eric Asante. Backs up the ropes again, and let's see if Mathias can get some success, but no way, says Eric Asante. Good head movement there from Eric Asante. He catches Mathias getting through. What a left counter punch there from Eric Asante. He's showing some good and different strategy in this particular round from Eric Asante. He has changed his tactics in this round. He's boxing smart here, trying to lure Mathias to get into his bait game, then he just counter punch him. Last 10 seconds to go. Eric searching for the body of Mathias, but there goes the bell. And Eric Asante.
Seconds out. 6.
Live from the Bukom Boxing Arena, IMAX Boxing Promotions, Bell 7-Star Professional Boxing League. This is the last bout, and this is the last round. Mathias Sulley Nguah, boxer with the red gloves, taking on Eric Asante, boxer in the black gloves. Eric backing up the ropes there, showing some glimpse of defense there, and showing some flurry of punches there. And the crowd are loving that from Eric Asante. Out miss there from Eric. Mathias read him well. That was some double clip there from Mathias, caught the attention of Eric Asante. And Eric trying to probe his way through with a jab, but Mathias read him well there. Eric backing up the ropes there. And this is two boxers trying to handle business here. Trying to use their jab to probe their way through. Oh, what a beautiful, good head movement there from Eric Asante. Oh, that was a left hand there from Eric Asante. Beautiful from Eric Asante. Well, he's showing some glimpse of beautiful artistry there. Eric Asante from Panic's gym. Mathias Sulley Nguah, boxer fighting from Black Panthers. The boxer in the camouflage shorts. Fighting up against Eric Asante from Panic's gym. And the crowd are loving it. It seems they love what they are seeing from Eric Asante, and they are edging him on. Wild miss there from Mathias Sulley. And Eric Asante is really enjoying himself here. He's showing some glimpse of good defensive movement there. Wild miss there from Mathias Sulley. Good movement there from Eric Asante on his part. There goes the body punches there coming from Mathias Sulley as he catches Eric Asante backing up the ropes there. Last 10 seconds to go. Eric Asante is moving in the ring. Wow.
People, I'm sure, would all agree that this very bill, our second fight night, has been full of exciting bouts. Shall we give both Mathias and Eric a huge applause? This platform, of course, is the Bell 7-Star Professional Boxing League, live on Max TV, our main media partner, Max TV, and it is brought to you by IMAX Boxing Promotions, and our headline sponsor is Bell 7-Star Energy Drink. Okay. Before I announce the verdict, let's acknowledge our sponsors: Bell 7-Star Energy Drink, Premium Motors, Soccer Bet, Techno Mobile, Max Buy, and IMAX Electronics. And right now for the verdict, judge number 1 scored about 56 to 57. Judge number 2 scored about 53-59. Judge number 3 also scored about 55-58. All 3 judges scored about in favor of the winner. And by a unanimous point victory, nickname Canelo Eric Asante. And so let's have a word with Eric Asante before we call the curtain. A very, very difficult bout, a very hard opponent, but you came through with the victory. How did you come by it?
one thing, I give glory to Almighty God. You know, all the time when we are training hard, it's easy in the ring, you know. It's very good fight. He's a very good fighter. He's a very good fighter. So you have to keep on training. He's a very good fighter.
And so you acknowledge that Mathias was a very good fighter tonight. You were able to make amends. In your last fight against Atakwe, you made a few mistakes here and there. But tonight, you've been able to correct the mistakes and you've been able to come back. What's next for Eric Asante?
Oh, what I would say, that fight is a motivating fight. That me and Atakwe fight is a motivating fight. You know, he beat me, and I think, you know, I have to go back and do a lot of training and come back. When we fight, you win, you know. So I'm going for it. There
is one member of the Ghana Army by me. That is Eric Amomba. Daniel Amomba. Yes, why are you here?
Yeah, I'm here because Asante has done something I never wanted it to happen. I am the light of the north. So whosoever that beats a northern boxer in this ring, I will challenge you and beat you. He fought with Atakwe. I called Atakwe to challenge me. He refused. That is not going to fight. And today he has had the guts to fight Mathias. And he has beaten Mathias. I'm telling him, Asante, by his face, that I want him in the ring. If he's ready, he should show up.
What makes you so confident that you can be able to beat Eric?
Everything. I have everything that it takes to beat Asante. I have everything at all. He's tagged by the name Canelo. I want to show him that I'm also tagged by the name Pitbull, the Navrongo boy, and I'm ready to fight him.
And before we go, you are a super welterweight. So at what weight are we fighting?
I'm ready to give him any catch weight at all. Whether super light, waterweight, if he's ready, I'm ready for him.
Let me go to Eric. Eric, he says he wants to fight you, Amomba.
He says something like, he's the light. I want to switch that light off. You know, I want to switch that light off. If you can do super feather, you fight super feather.
He just fought super lightweight. And I believe he can still fight super light. His coaches are aware. They are afraid. His coaches are afraid. His coaches know me very well. They are afraid.
And so Coach Ernesto Fori is here. Let's talk to him.
Yeah, like Eric Asante just said, boxing is fight based on weight. So if he's going to take him on, we would love to fight super featherweight. If he's ready, any day, anytime, we will take him.
All right, thank you very much. And so there we have it, the winner for this very final bout, Eric Asante, obtaining a victory over Mathias Sulley Nguah of the Black Panthers Boxing Gym. You have been live on Max Television. This has been the second fight night of the third edition of the Bell 7-Star Professional Boxing League, brought to you by IMAX Boxing Promotions, main media partner Max TV, and our headline sponsor is Bell 7-Star Energy Drink from the Bukom Boxing Arena. My name is Sam Nanagold. Catch you in a fortnight. Bye.